my God. 16. Holy shit!
Yo, fast car traps, huh? It's lit. Fast car checks, another one.
What's happening, people? We are back again with another sick episode of Fast Car Checks. And today, as you can see, we've got this Rs4, a rare beast, I would say. Like, these cars used to be like everywhere when they used to have the V8 engine, I believe, that used to be in these. But nowadays, people go for the Rs6 and the Rs3s. So it leaves space in the market for these sort of cars to become the rare beast that they are today. So with further said, we're gonna bring in the owner and he's gonna tell you more about this sick Audi Rs4. So then, Brian, welcome to the channel. Do you wanna tell us about this Rs4?
Yeah, this is my 2020 plate Rs4 B9.5 Carbon Edition. Tuned by Massey tuning, running around 700 brake at the moment. Aiming to get some more in the new year, but yeah.
Okay, bro, so it's MRC tuned. Do you want to tell us what these cars come stock? Because to be honest with you, as much as I do know about the Audi RS setup, this is, as I said, becoming a bit of a rare beast. So tell us what spec they would have been, what litre they are, and so on.
So I believe from factory they're around 440 brake horsepower. They're 2.9 litre twin turboed. Yeah, that's about it.
Nice, brother. So yeah, that's what I mean. I didn't really even know too much that these were twin turbo, because I remember the V8 ones naturally aspirated. So obviously now we're into the turbo era. Most cars are turbos. Twin turbo as well, this is. Did these have superchargers, or am I making that up in my head? Because some of them I'm sure were superchargers. Am I right in saying that?
Yeah, so I believe the S4s, they're supercharged. And maybe, I'm not sure on the other the earlier models, but I do know the S4s, some of them are supercharged.
Yeah, okay, sweet. So I did remember the newer shapes. One of them was supercharged. I wasn't aware that, like you said, it was the S4. I thought it was actually the Rs4. So it's interesting to know. I know that these share engines with the RS5. Am I right in saying that?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. Cool. So like I said, it's quite a simple one. In terms of modifications, is it something you've done yourself? When I mean you've done, maybe not got hands on, but you've tuned this car from stock?
Yeah, so MRC all did it, so I brought it already done.
Yeah,
so it's running TT 720 turbos, Miltex, decat, downpipe, full exhaust, obviously upgraded fuel pressure, fuel system, low pressure and high pressure. And I think that's about it.
Yeah.
And coil packs and obviously upgraded plugs.
We're gonna go for a sick blast. We're gonna send it for the culture, and you know the vibes. We're gonna bring you guys absolute sick content every single time. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because as I said, this car is a sick car and I haven't done any of these on the channel. They're quite rare. So with further said, we're gonna have a little spin round, and now we're gonna go out for a little spin, do some 0 to 60s, maybe even get a quarter mile. So let's get straight into this. We're just out now in the Rs4. As I said, these cars, for me, this is what I remember the estate RS models were at first. And I think it was only until the Rs6, the new ones dropped. What mark are we calling it? Mark 2, 3? The new ones, the 4 litre twin turbo V8 ones.
Oh, the RS6s?
Yes. Yeah.
The C8.
C8s, that's the one. So I think it was only really up until that one dropped.
Yeah.
It then took the Rs4 shine a little bit.
They're kind of similar, don't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. But I think before that one dropped, a lot of people used to go with the previous model, which had, isn't it got the same engine as the R8? The older R8, so the V8 R8.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure the older R8 engines used to be in the RS4s, and then that's when a lot of people like these, and when they switched to these, they bought out this, and like you said, is it the C8 you say?
Yeah, the new one's the C8, and they share the same engine as the RS7.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
But these are sick. Like I said, the Audi S, you can see it's got all the carbon, the dash, everything's nice, the screens on it, digi dash. That's one thing I will say about Audis, yeah? For as much people to say, some people will say, BMW drivers will say, I say, that, oh, there's not much driver feedback and blah, blah, blah. I get what they're saying because the four-wheel drive system makes it so safe. But one thing Audi never let you down on is interior.
Yeah, 100%.
That's one thing, 100%. Because they are nice cars inside. And like you said, like these seats, man, they're 10-10.
Yeah, definitely do not want
So 700 brake horsepower daily, man's moving in right now. Yeah, trust me, that's mad.
that. See, when you're ready, then
Yeah,
I'll show you.
I'm ready when you are, bro. There's a corner here, so I'm not ready on the corner. But yeah, we're
It grips up well.
oh, it's quattro, go for it, bro. Oh my days, bro, this is mad. Oh shit, I was not expecting that, bro. What the hell just happened there, man?
It's just instant, isn't it? Like you put your foot down and you just go on.
Is that what this is really on?
Yeah, like obviously, yeah, I think in the different modes, like, you can change how harsh you want the gear shift, but I haven't really figured that out yet.
Bro, that is mad, man. Like what we just done, peeps, yeah, I'm telling you now. That was mad. And because I said to you, like, yeah, I'm kind of ready, you just went for it. That was mad, man. Oh, shit, bro. This is mad, isn't it? Shit, man. Bro, this car grips and dips, bro. It grips and dips, bro. Like gripping up.
Yeah, it's meant.
This is mad, bruv.
Yeah, I literally can't complain, especially
Nah. This is a whip and a half, man, bro. This is sick. Well, you said you had the RS4. Obviously, I knew they're fast and that.
Yeah.
But as I said, my knowledge wasn't that stretched because I know the RS5 platform. If you would have said, bam, RS5 engine, I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is sick.
Yeah, especially I'm not even running full power right now.
Yeah. We're not even running full power, are we?
I'm
No.
on map 2, so just 99 pump fuel.
So what's this running at the moment?
650.
650, and this is what it's moving like.
Yeah.
Shit,
I'm gonna
man.
run 700, but yeah, I don't really want to run 700 with
Yeah.
the injector.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Just stick to the
safe limit.
Yeah, that's right. Keep going. Oh, that car. Fucking hell.
Maybe if I start lower revs.
Oh my god! 60! Fucking hell! 3.67, bro.
Yeah.
Wow!
That was like launching on.
Shit, that was rapid, man. 3.67.
Yeah.
Wow. That's aggressive, innit, man?
Yeah, and I launched at low revs.
Yeah. You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
That's nice, man.
Better than what I thought.
And the thing is about it, yeah, I reckon if you sat there and launch, you get easy lower than that.
Yeah, I reckon I could run like a 3.2.
Yeah, I reckon easily.
Yeah, full power.
Yeah.
launch at high revs.
Yeah. Cool, man. So shout out to Brian, bro, first of all, bro, for letting me get in this car and obviously get out and have a little drive. Audi Rs4 running today about 640, 650.
650,
yeah, horsepower, and this car can run up to about 700, yeah?
More than that.
More than that, okay.
Yeah.
So first driving an Audi Rs4 as well, and this particular engine, as I said, it can be found in RS5s and these. First impressions in the passenger seat is mad. I'm not gonna lie.
Bad passenger.
One thing about Audis they feel nice to drive in a respect of comfort, seats, levers, digi-dash, everything about them is just prestige.
Yeah.
Right now there's nothing to tell, we're in something crazy, apart from the car feels well put together. But what I mean is we don't have no loud exhaust, no mad fume smell, like, do you know what I mean? So that this is a nice car, just as off the back of driving down the road a bit. And yeah, like, bro, this is a nice place to sit, shall I say. I'm gonna give it a little tickle. Yeah, plenty. That was only one little push. Wow, yeah. He just wants to go in it. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck, bro? The way the car moves all over and then it just, wow. This is a monster, innit? This is different, bruv. Because it's not even just about the first hit. Once it grips, it's gone.
See what I mean? Like, you're a bit shaky.
Yeah. The first couple of, that's it. But you sure that's the reason why it's probably better to drive it in manual mode, so you don't get as much as that?
Normally, I would keep it manual mode, but that's when I found that the
ejector. Fair. The car's gonna safeguard it, isn't it? Yeah.
Because you shifted a bit higher, right? So I'll come back on when I raise the fuel man fair. Yeah, we'll come back. Do another video.
Absolutely, bro. This is a savage, man.
Especially on ethanol. I'm hoping on ethanol I can get like.
Yeah.
I don't know. We haven't maxed the turbos out just yet.
No.
The turbos are not even close. I think we're only running like 2.3 bar of boost right now.
Yeah.
I think the turbos can handle like 2.7.
Yeah. Bro, this is mad, man. Let me just build up a bit. Oh my god, bro. This car does not hang about.
Man, come to like a roundabout set.
Jesus Christ. This is fucking savage.
Yeah, roundabout just after this bend.
The pickup's unreal, isn't it?
It is mental.
Beautiful car, man. Hey?
Gear shifting's mental.
It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's mad, isn't it? And like, I don't know how much of the camera's picking up that V6, but you got that sweet V6 noise as well, just singing to you in the background. You get carried away in this, though,
Yeah,
innit?
it's mad.
Wow.
You see how bad it's on fuel?
No way, bro! Bro, you didn't tell me it was ringing like that! Bro, what are we doing in this? Oh my days! Bro, that did not just happen. Fucking hell, I'm not gonna...
Because when you let off at high revs, it's hard to get. Be careful, you just get low.
I'm done, bro. I'm done, G. Trust me, as I said, it's only a little short drive straight up, yeah? Only a little short drive back, yeah, but freaking... Machine, bro.
Park here.
A park here, yeah. Machine, bro. Literally, bro, what the hell was that gunshot? Bro, I'm thinking we're being shot at by the police. Oh my god, bro, listen. Big thank you for today, bro.
That's right, bro.
As I said, like, this car here is a rare beast. Make no mistake, there's loads of them made, but you don't, you know what I mean? You rarely see them in the car scene is what I'm saying. You know what I mean? They've got more businessmen are driving them now. Whereas before, you had all the little, I say this respectfully, the chavs and the car people taking these and giving it pops and bangs like you just heard. But bro, this is a sick car. And as I said, I'm not knocking any car that people are buying, because you'll see on my channel, I'll be in my M2. I'll have a similar car to what's out there. But what I would definitely say, this can compete with any car, bro, when it comes to like 40, 30 grand what people are buying for that money.
100%.
Do you know what I mean, bro? But where can people find you? Because you got a lot of cool cars as well. This ain't the only car we're going to be featuring. This is just number 1 of hopefully 3, yeah? 4. There you go. You heard it here first, right? Where can people find you on Instagram?
Instagram's the RSR Mark 7. That's just dedicated to one car at the moment. I'm going to make it like more broad, like to all cars. Yeah, then that's what I really use Instagram.
Yeah.
That's then anything that's a bit personal.
Yeah. And hopefully, obviously you do go Santa Pod as well, isn't it?
Yeah. I really
So
hope.
we're going to try get a few of those cars that we're talking about on the channel at Santa Pod and be able to do the tines, see the quarter mile, see the 60 foot, all of that stuff as well. So big up to yourself, bro, for coming out today.
Bro.
And like I said, make sure you smash the subscribe button for more videos like this. Next episode of Fast Car Checks coming soon.